man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. Was up Pilipinas, pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. Was up Pilipinas, was up Pilipinas, halina at libutin ang ating mundo. Was up Pilipinas, aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. Was up Pilipinas, ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. Was up Pilipinas, tutok na sa Was up Pilipinas. Was up Pilipinas, was up Pilipinas, tutok na sa Was up Pilipinas. Was up Pilipinas, was up Pilipinas, tutok na sa Was up Pilipinas. Was up Pilipinas, was up Pilipinas, tutok na sa Was up Pilipinas. Was up Pilipinas, was up Pilipinas, masaya sa Was up Pilipinas.
Sorry po. Babae o lalaki?
Ayan na siya. Sorry.
Ano?
Kasi ayos na lang kami.
Parang yung same person naman yung balikan sa side na yun.
Ay, nagpinyon ang karaj? Parang kasal? Sorry nabigla lang ako sa entourage format. Let's mix it up. We have time. Guys,
May copy na. Si Miss Brian. Ay, si Sir Rafi. Ayun. Ayan. So magandang hapon po again. We'd like to acknowledge Ms. Arlette. Thank you for being with us, our content creators and our media partners. Magandang hapon. My name is Faith, Cluster Marketing and Communications Manager for the Alvista Hotel and Pico de Oro. We also have with us our Director of Operations, si Ms. Brenda. So, first of all, we'd like to express our gratitude for choosing the Alvista Hotel to be part of Biyaheng South. This digital tourism campaign that highlights destinations within Calax is a great opportunity to showcase the gems of properties like ours. So maraming salamat. We hope that during your stay here, you will feel the comfort of being in one of Tagaytay's prime destinations, boasting a timeless ambiance, rich with heritage, nostalgia, and knowledge we can all share through generations. Allow us to spoil you with convenience and safety, and well, don't forget to tag us on your posts. May you have a great time here, and we look forward to collaborating with each and every one of you in the future. Maraming salamat po, and enjoy the history walk that you're following.
maglalamig sana ako pero kung Hi. Good afternoon po. By the way, I'm Doris. I'm from front office department. It's a pleasure to meet all of you po. So right now, we are here at the foyer of Sampaguita, where you can see the history of the Alvista Hotel. So as you can see po, this is the 8 panels consisting of each panels, i-discuss po siya every page stop po. So this is the picture of the photo of the Taal Vista Hotel Lodge. So the story began during 1930s when the newly elected Manuel L. Quezon laid out his plans in promoting the tourism here in the Philippines. So 1936, he expressed his interest in promoting also to be the tourist destination here in Tagaytay. So same that year, the Manila Hotel Company purchased 6 hectares land from Mr. Hammond Black. He is one of the prominent personalities who shaped the Taal Vista Hotel. So, October 7, 1939, it was actually open to the public, and then this is the only hotel at the time. So, just to give you a trivia po, Taal Vista Hotel is the oldest hotel here in Tagaytay, and we are the second oldest hotel here in the Philippines. So for the other pit stop, you may now proceed at the Reach or I no need for the Reach. Okay, up over there is po. We are owned by SM Hotels, Mr. Henry C, and then the president is Miss Elizabeth C po. Yes po. So yes po, we have a total of 262 guest rooms. So if ever po, you can come and visit us with your friends and family next time po. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ayun na ba? O, meron pa?
Then, Taal Swimming and Awaiting Swimming. So, dito rin po yung swimming pool namin. Pag dinarature nyo po yung daan na yan, then on the right side, yun po yung swimming pool. Sige po, forward na po tayo.
Yan, red carpet. Oh, naka sir. Red carpet yun eh. Uy.
So, dito po sa part na to, nandito po yung gym, game room, pati po, ano po natin, work lounge. We also have spa dito sa Taal Vista Hotel. Dito po siya dumadaan. And it is also open for walking. So yan. One of the misconception po ng mga nagbubook po sa Taal Vista Hotel is parang yung spa po namin is open lang siya for our guests. Pero we hope po that you will spread the news po na we are open po for walk-ins. Not only for the spa guests but also for the F&B or restaurants po namin. Moving po tayo here. So welcome po sa Village Suite sa Taal Vista Hotel. So this is one of the biggest room po ni Taal Vista. Hindi po. So, Tagaytay Street is 196 square meter, 2-bedroom po, 1 king size, and 2 single bed. Public rate is around 6,000. It can accommodate for adults and
Uy.
yes.
So, ma'am, this is the biggest room dito sa side na to or even sa kabilang side?
Even po sa side, this is the biggest room po ni Talvista.
So for the entire
Apo,
property.
apo. Next po sa biggest room is the Taal Suite, which is underneath po nito. Nasa third floor po.
Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Jeng. My name is Carla. And we will be your tour guides for this afternoon. The Taal volcano, actually this is the lake terrace, but we are going to tackle the ridge, which is nandoon po. So it's raining, so we were unable to go there po. So, Taal volcano was once a tall and massive volcano po, which was twice the size of Mayon volcano in Bicol region. 100,000 years ago, the most violent eruption occurred, which caused its cone to collapse. So, the Taal volcano din po is considered as a complex volcano, which is that has a 47 craters and cones po. And then the first ever recorded eruption of the Taal volcano was in 1572. It was a phreatomagmatic eruption. Phreatomagmatic eruption po occurs when the magma and the water interacts with each other inside the main crater of the volcano. So there are two major eruptions po that occurred in Taal volcano, which was in August 11, 1749, and the second one was in May 15 to December 5, 1754, which lasted for 7 months. So sa 7 months po na yun, nasira po yung mga tao ng Taal, Lipa, Bawan, Tanawan, and Sala. But unfortunately, for the town of Sala, it wasn't able to be re-established as it just became the barangay in Tanawan City po, in Batangas.
Then moving forward naman po, in our Taal Lake po, there is what we call the Pacific Channel. So before it was called the channel because the Spanish galleons were able to trade po using that channel. But since nga po there are multiple volcanic eruptions that happened in the Taal volcano, na-cover po niya yung mouth no Pacific Channel, which receded into a river. Kaya so before po, channel po siya, and then naging Pacific River na lang po siya. And since nga po dahil naging river na lang siya, hindi na po makapasok yung salt water from the ocean to our lake, kaya naging fresh water na po yung ating lake. So before it was a saltwater lake, and now it is a freshwater lake. And since nga po nag-change yung salinity ng water, nag-change din po yung mga species po niya ng mga isda. So before we have sardines, and then naging tawilis, which is known here in Tagaytay, the crispy tawilis. And we also have the lakitok na naging malilitok. And
Then, over there naman po, since hindi nga po tayo able to do the range po na pit stop, doon po we have the bottom tree. So it was the oldest tree in our hotel as well as the favorite tree of our owner, which is Mr. Henry C. Sr. So bottom tree po is also known as poison tree. So yes po, it contains poison which is called saponi. But di naman po kayo dito matakot dahil yung saponi naman po is not harmful to humans. So before po, ginagamit lang siya to catch fishes po dun sa lake. So that's it po for the ridge na pit stop. Do you have any questions for or clarification? Feel free to ask.
Sayang na po yun.
Kaya nga po
Yan po.
Actually, yung nakikita niyo po doon minsan pag napapadaan po kayo sa Tagaytay, like yung parang triangle po doon, yun po ay tinatawag natin dinunti ang malaki. One of the craters ng yun po siya ng Taal Volcano.
So for the next round of food, tayo dito.
Kapagod siya, kumain mo na natin. Kapagod siya, sir. Ay, ito na pala, sabi ko. And dahil dito ba? Nahanap ko.
Saan ba?
Sige po, sige po.
Sa kanya? Sa kanila? Okay. Against the light eh. Hindi sila makita eh. Against the light, yung hindi makita yung face nyo. Camera.
Okay, shy type din po. So, good afternoon po. So, I am Manal. I am the sales coordinator of Taal Vista Hotel.
I'm Yoli from Security and Safety Department.
So, we are now at the Lake Wing Terrace po. We are now at the covered terrace po of the Lake Wing lobby, wherein it offers po the view, the majestic view of the lake po. But then, ngayon po, medyo nahihiya si Taal Volcano sa inyo, kaya po nag-fabi siya. Kaya po, yan po yung welcome po sa inyo with Taal po. So, since Taal Vista po opened in 1939, and on October po, just to inform you, we will be celebrating its 85th anniversary po. Hopefully po na makapunta rin po kayo on October po. So, Taal Vista Hotel po witnessed 3 major eruptions po. First one is in 1965 po, with moderately violent eruption po. This one has recorded po 1,500 casualties. And then second one po is in 1977 po. And then the third one po is last January 12, 2020. So this building po, built lang po last January 12, last January 2012 po. Then, it has an additional po of 133 rooms po, which also includes po our grand ballroom po and our small function rooms.
However, during 1965, just a number, Taal Vista Hotel kasi is Taal Vista na siya before, dahil nga siya yung government property. Noong 1965, due to massive eruption, diniscourage ng government na bumisita dito yung mga tourists during that time. So, dahil sa ganung pangyayari, nag-decrease po yung number of tourists dito sa Tagaytay. So, Philippine government decided to sell Taal Vista Lodge or Taal Vista Hotel into private sectors. So, noong 1968 po, nakonmuto ni Hotel and Resort Corporation. And then, noong 1984, through foreclosure decision, nakuha naman po ito ni Development Bank of the Philippines. And then, in 1988, ibinenta naman po ni DBP kay Henry C. itong Taal Vista, which still remains the owner po of Taal Vista as of this time. So, kaya po ngayon medyo kami, pagka may mga edad na, pag napunta dito, laging magtataka sila, bakit hindi na may mga party, kasi nga po nung araw, libre po talaga lahat dito. Libre talaga dahil nga siya ay government home, and dahil nga po naging private na siya, kaya siya yung nagkaroon ng libre. So, yun po minsan may hirapan yung lipat po ng last na sabi ko na yun. So, itong Sky Ranch, may kabilala na may access na tayo. This mountain is a fixed thing. So,
Yun lang po kung may mga tanong. Kasi po yung iba naman po na nag-discuss pa po doon sa timeline exhibits.
Sa spot po na ito, later on po makikita niyo sa exhibit, dito po umupo si Mr. Henry C. Sr. po. And then dito po siya nag-iisip po na sana mapasahan niya din po yung na-office. So, hindi po yung po dito. Bukas po, mamaya ka po. Po kayo doon.
Opo. Actually, yung photo ko rin po, favorite tree po yun ni Tata na. Kaya nga po nung pag-blenda, kung talagang siya ay, di ba, ano talaga na, nasira talaga siya. Kaya po, nililip po talaga yung pinag-check, tapos Richard na rin siya. Kaya kung mabibis siya talaga puro tali siya, kasi nga, talaga nabulat po siya, di ba? Kaya lang, kaya siya may ni Tata. Kaya, opo, malaki pa rin po siya, yung bottle ko rin po. Nakikita niyo pa puro tali na siya, pero yun po rin. Thank you po.
Corridor connects the lake wing building and the main lobby po. The main lobby is where you enter the wider po. And that is the oldest part of Talbot. I think that was So, we decided to put a time exhibit here to provide educational experiences to our guests. For this one, if you can see, I'm not sure if they have talked a while ago po. But however, yung nakikita po natin yung volcano, or kasi wala tayong view kanina po because of the park. Pero nakita niyo na po before, hindi pa po first time. So the small volcano at the middle of the Taal Lake po is only the remains of the original prehistoric Taal volcano. So it is really before na twice siya ng size ng ngayon po. So 100,000 years ago, sumabog siya, yung remains po na sa gitna. And this is also part of the volcano. Kaya tayo ang Tagaytay and even the Batangas Lake. So I think picture niya po, ito na lang the highlighter po, ito na lang yung remains right now. Originally yung ganito po dati. So yun po yung sa studies. So let's go to the next tunnel. Next tunnel po is, these are the types of Taal volcano eruption in Tagaytay po. So, if you remember in 2020, yung mga nandito po ba? Kasi meron po nandito. So, we call it the phreatic magmatic. Yun po yung may manalava and then yung mga bato na pong bumabagsak dito. Yung maliliit na bato po na bumabagsak dito. So, close yung halos buong Tagaytay Ridge po. Lahat ng hotels are closed and a lot of people suffered from the COVID pa yun. Nag-start dito. So, however, recently, kung may nakikita kayo sa news po na mga sumasabog yung Taal volcano, ano na lang po siya, phreatic. So, yung steam na lang po ng vulkan sumasabog. However, still unhealthy po sa atin. That's why
iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. O sa Pilipinas, pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan-saan, kahit na sino pang iyong angkan. O sa Pilipinas, what's up Pilipinas, halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas, aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas, ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up Pilipinas, tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto, alamin ng tamang daan kung paano ang umasenso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng What's up Pilipinas, aming ibibigay sa madla at ipapadanas. Ang saya ng What's up Pilipinas, tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas, ihahatid sa inyo ng What's up Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na. So what's up Pilipinas? Ibutin ang mundo, kainin gusto. Alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ka umasenso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng sa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mada at ipapadanas ang saya ng what's up Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng what's up Pilipinas.
Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. What's up Pilipinas? Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ang umasenso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng What's up Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa madla at ipapadanas ang saya ng What's up Pilipinas. Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng What's up Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na. So what's up Pilipinas? Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ka umasenso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng sa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mada at ipapadanas ang saya ng what's up Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas.
ihahatid sa inyo ng What's Up Pilipinas.
Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. What's up Pilipinas? Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. What's up Pilipinas? Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up Pilipinas. What's up Pilipinas? What's up Pilipinas? Masaya sa What's up Pilipinas.